Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix error code 52 on Windows 7. This error usually pops up with a message saying, Windows cannot verify the digital signature for the drivers required for this device. It sounds complicated, but it basically just means Windows is being too strict with a driver. We can fix this by deleting two specific registry files. Let's jump right into it. So the most common cause for this, especially if it's happening with a USB drive or a DVD drive, is corrupted filter files in your system registry. We just need to clear them out. To get started, go ahead and press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In that box, I want you to type regedit and hit Enter. If it asks for permission, just click Yes. Now we need to dig into the folders on the left. Follow along with me. Click the little arrow next to hkey_local_machine, then System, then Current Control Set, then Control, and finally Class. You are going to see a huge list of confusing numbers and letters. We need to find the specific folder for the device that is broken. If it's a USB controller giving you the error, look for the folder that starts with open curly brace 36FC9E60. If it's a CD or DVD drive, look for open curly brace 4D36E965. Once you click on the right folder, look at the right-hand side of the screen. If you see a file named UpperFilters or LowerFilters, I want you to right-click on them and select Delete. Go ahead and confirm that by clicking Yes. If you don't see them, that's okay. Just move to the next method. Once those are deleted, you must restart your computer for it to take effect. If messing with the registry didn't work, we can just tell Windows 7 to stop checking for signatures altogether. Go ahead and click your Start button and type CMD into the search bar. Right-click on the CMD program that appears and make sure you select Run as Administrator. In the black window, we are going to type two commands to turn off the security checks. First, type bcdedit /set space no integrity checks space on and hit Enter. It should say the operation completed successfully. Next, type bcdedit /set space test signing space on and hit Enter. Now close the window and restart your computer. This forces Windows 7 to accept that unsigned driver and should clear code 52 instantly. And that's it. Your device should be working normally again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.